Well, hopefully today I walk around it rather than step in it. First trailer load headed out of here right now. Just got him loaded up. It is a Monday, so who knows what's going to happen here. But we'll see. I've dumped one load in the bin so far this morning. Now I've loaded this tractor or trailer. The load I put on him yesterday evening, it was the same truck, different driver, was 1,005 bushels. I was surprised that it was that much, so he's probably got close to that on this morning as well. Okay, I'm hoping that trailer will come back to me after he dumps. We'll see. I have not heard from the boss about that. Fingers crossed, as usual. Okay, just got word. The truck that I sent out of here an hour ago, he's gonna dump at the elevator, and then he's on his way back to me. I've got the truck loaded. I've got the combine loaded. I'm guessing, based on the timeline, I've got 30 to 45 minutes before he gets back here. So maybe I'll clean the windows up. As you can see, or as I cannot see out of these windows, they're a bit dirty. I'll blow the combine off, maybe put a little bit of grease on it. I just, as I said, got about 30, 45 minutes to kill, so I'll make the best of it. It is getting warm out there today. The high is supposed to be about 90 degrees. I've parked the combine in the shade right now, so it doesn't get too hot while it's sitting. So let's get out and get these windows cleaned up. Okay, there you go. That truck should be rolling in here shortly. Normally I have a squeegee and a bucket of water to do these windows. I just forgot to throw it in the truck this morning when I was at the farm. But hey, I always keep a glass cleaner in one of my pickup trucks and paper towels. You just never know. Alright, I got the combine greased as well. while we're waiting, so we should be good for another load. Let's hope so. I am disappointed in this LockNLube mechanism. I got one last year at a farm show. Everybody was raving about it, but I'm not a fan of it. Number one is, I guess because of the design, there's too much grease that builds up on the end of here. Each time you pull it off, you've got excess grease on there. It just makes a mess. And after just greasing the combine with it, as I said, less than a year old, I don't know if it's already worn out, but grease was going everywhere but in the fitting. I really had to push down on it, pull it back, twist it around. It was just too much coming out, so I'm changing back to the tried and trusted. And the other issue I had with it is the length of it. An issue with the length, yeah. Getting up into some tight places where you have to twist this around. This one is twice the length of the normal one, and so you just can't get it into all of the tight spots. That's what she said. So there we go. We're back to the old one. Okay, load number 2 headed out of here. He had 995 bushels on that first load he took out of here this morning. I think he's actually got a little bit more on this load, but time will tell. I'm hoping he'll come back this evening to get a third load. I just talked to him about it. He said he's willing to come back. It's just a matter of what the boss is going to have him do. All right, let's load everything back up. Just one more note. I was checking my watch. He was in and out of here in less than 30 minutes. So 1,000 bushels, less than 30 minutes. I know that is not grain cart fast, but that's pretty damn quick for the average guy around here, not everybody around here has a green card. Operation sizes. We've got a few guys running, you know, a couple thousand acres, but on average, our guys around here, maybe 1,000 acres when you average everything out. A lot of smaller farms like myself, so we just don't have grain carts. So, hey, 30 minutes, that's not bad, in my opinion. Okay, so much for getting the third trailer today. I got the call about 4 o'clock. He had other plans for that truck, but he will send another trailer to me tomorrow morning. So I'm down here at the farm, unloading my truck into the bin. I'll go back up there to the field this evening. I'll load this truck, and I'll probably take it into Purdue tomorrow morning. That's the game plan. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I think I am calling it a day. I've got everything loaded up. Combine is loaded, the truck is loaded. And I'm not getting another trailer, and it's just not going to work out right if I take a load back down to the farm and come back. So I'm going to pull the blower out and blow the combine off. The daughter is going to bring the bush hog over here, and I will blow that off as well. And then it's going to be a day, and I'll say see ya. See ya.